Hi everyone. Right, another quick video. This is the ONYX BOOX Go 10.3. So I purchased this after I was wasn't very satisfied with the Supernote Manta. So I've had ONYX products before, so I was quite familiar with the ecosystem. I bought this case for it. I think the case was £26 from Amazon. The device itself was about £380 from Amazon. So obviously it's the 300 ppi screen. This isn't an in-depth video, it's just my first impressions, etc. Whether I'm going to be keeping the device or not. It's really just to share my thoughts for colleagues that have asked me to review these products in a quick video. Yeah, start off with the positives. It's a beautiful device. It's light, easy to carry into work. It's fantastic to use in terms of features. I love the writing feel. The writing feel is phenomenal on here. It's really nice. Reading documents on here, PDFs, is very good as well. ONYX products I find functionally are very rich. Some would say a bit too rich, but personally I've not struggled with them. So yeah, I'll talk about some of the cons really now with the device. First of all, the screen is far too dim, similar to the Supernote Manta. So it's a bit too uncomfortable for me to read content and my notes back using this device, which is a shame because otherwise, hardware-wise, it's phenomenal. It's got microphones, it's got speakers, so really impressive hardware. I've never had any issues with lag on the device, so otherwise it's phenomenal. But the screen lets it down in my opinion. In terms of the writing feel, like I said, it's absolutely phenomenal. It feels really good to write on. I'll just give you a quick example. It feels really nice, but there's no eraser on the pen, and like I mentioned in my other video, I don't really have time to click on an eraser icon or use the AI function, which sometimes is a bit hit and miss. I'd rather have an eraser on the pen. I don't like buttons on there as well. I need an eraser on it. And the biggest issue I have with the pen is the nib. The nib wears out. This is about 2 weeks worth of normal use for me. And the issue I have with it, once the nib starts to wear out, pretty prematurely, the writing feel considerably changes. It starts getting a bit slippy and inconsistent to the point that it's quite frustrating, and I struggle to use it. I know some people are saying you can file it down, which I do on my other devices, but it should be the nibs should be lasting a lot longer than that. So those are my thoughts on the device. Like I said, it's a bit disappointing. For me, the biggest issues are the screen. It's a bit disappointing in terms of how dim it is. So I don't think it's particularly good for reading content back or even your own notes. It's a beautiful surface to write on, but the result of that is that your nibs wear out very quickly. You can write very, very lightly on it. I don't see the point of that really, because you lose the writing sensation, and it's not how I write. So that doesn't work for me. So I think this is another product that I'll be returning. Okay, so that was just my quick thoughts on the ONYX Go 10.3. Thank you, bye.